Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW. My name is Jeff. Thanks for tuning back in. Please push the subscribe button if this is your first time. We're doing some videos with my BMWs and modifying them. So we went out to Mile 5 on the weekend. I was gonna vlog it, but the weather was just like, it was unreal. It was horrible. So I just focused on driving. It normally is a 45 to 50 minute drive, and it actually took us an hour and a half to get out there. But we did connect with them. I sent the shirt off to Kylie. I let her know, so she should have it in the next day or so, hopefully. There's a Canada Post strike going on. I'm sure most of you guys are aware of it. So all of our packages are late, not on time, being held up, all due to the strike. So anyways, today we're going to start taking off the wrap. Yes. I've decided that I'm going to take the wrap off. I don't know if I'm going to keep the same design or change it up or wrap the whole car or just keep it off. I'm not too sure, but we're going to start with starting to take the pieces off. I imagine it's going to take a bit of time because they've been on there for just over a year. So I imagine it's going to take some work, but we'll get going, and yeah, keep watching, please subscribe, and here we go. So you can see it's actually it's not going too bad. It's coming off easier than I actually thought it was going to. So the black likes to come off without the heat, and the silver and red like to come off with the heat. So we're just playing it by ear, but we'll go to a time lapse so you guys don't have to sit here and watch all of that. So here we go. Well, it's getting naked. Honestly, I don't like it like that. It's too boring and plain, so I don't think the car is going to be not wrapped. I'll get it all stripped off, get it cleaned down, but there's a quick preview of what it's going to look like. I got some renderings that I'll post up on this channel, and I want your guys' feedback. Which one do you think I should go with? Another camo wrap, different theme, different colors, full wrap, but I'll load up what I've done for rendering so far, and I want you guys to comment below. Please let me know what your guys' opinions are. Obviously this is going to be going out to the public and it's going to be showed off, so I want the majority vote of what looks the best. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see the entire car naked. Comment below, and peace.